Hello and welcome. In today's video where I'll show you how to safely remove a tempered glass screen protector from your phone, easy and simple. So you can do it with a credit card or playing card 2 or something similar. It needs to be thin, hard enough, and a little bit flexible too. And of course, not too sharp to avoid damaging the screen. So let's get started. First, look for a corner of the screen protector that's already slightly lifted. If no corner is loose, try using a thin plastic card or your fingernail to gently lift one corner. Once the corner is lifted, slowly peel the screen protector off. Do it by pulling the card gently and steadily under the screen protector so it can completely detach from the screen. Don't rush it. Also, make sure not to hold the card straight up. Don't twist it too much, or you may break the glass and damage the screen. Make sure to pull it at a low angle to avoid putting pressure on the screen. If the protector breaks or cracks while removing, continue slowly and carefully until all pieces are off. After removal, wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth to clean any dust or sticky residue. And that's it. You've now safely removed your tempered glass screen protector without damaging the phone screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.